Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Banyuwangi Ketapang Station, a part of Banyuwangi Regency, Regency of East Java Province in Indonesia. On behalf of Diaksa Tour and Travel, we thank you for choosing and trusting our services. First of all, let me introduce myself and our crew. My name is Radian Fariko. You can call me Radian. Here, I'm as your guide. And beside me, Dimas as a professional driver and Faisal as a co-driver. Say hello to Mr. Dimas and Mr. Faisal.
Hello, Mr. Radian, Mr. Dimas, and Mr. Faisal.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will go straight to Aston Banyuwangi Hotel, conference, and check-in, so we can rest after a long journey. I hope you have enjoyed this tour, and if you have any question, let me know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to accompany the trip to hotels, I will briefly explain about Banyuwangi. Banyuwangi is the eastmost city in Java. This is where the sun first rises in the morning, throwing its welcoming rays over Java. Banyuwangi is also known as a paradise at the eastern tip of Java. Mountaineers can hike from Banyuwangi to the stunning Ijen crater and be amazed by the legendary blue flames rising among the yellow sulfur rocks, which are manually cut and collected by traditional miners. However, if you plan to witness the beauty of the blue fire, it is advisable not to bring or wear silver jewelry as the high sulfur content will tarnish it. Secret Game in the eastern edge of Java, not only famous for its blue fire. Banyuwangi is also known internationally as a destination that has many perfect spots for surfing. Plengkung Beach in Banyuwangi is considered to have the second best waves for surfing after Hawaii. The beach, which is known as G-Land, has an average wave roll of 7 rows. Hence the title, The Seven Giant Wave Wonder. Any question?
Mr. Radian, what natural destinations are in Banyuwangi?
The town of Banyuwangi is the gateway to your exploration to watch wild animals roam freely in the reserve of Alas Purwo National Park, the oldest conservation area on Java Island. You can also go trekking through the savanna of Baluran National Park, where you can see the large Java water buffaloes called banteng, small Java moose deer known as kancil, peacocks, eagles, makacas, and also many other wild animals. Are you looking for a unique spot? Green Bay or Sarungan Pasanggaran will astonish you with its waters, which are green on the shores and turn to blue as the water flows further away from the beach line. Its white sands and tropical atmosphere will give a similar feeling to Bali or Lombok. And last but not least, you can travel to Sukamade Beach, where turtles come to hatch their eggs. While on your way from Banyuwangi, you can also experience a true sensation of jungle exploration on the challenging wilderness of Meru Betiri National Park. There one can see macacas, peacocks, and other endemic species of birds. If you are planning to visit this national park, make sure to do the best you can in participating in sustainable tourism efforts by avoiding littering and respecting the local community. Any other question?
No, thank you, Mr. Radian.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you a little about Aston Banyuwangi Hotel Conference, which is located at Brawijaya Street, Mojopanggung, Giri, Banyuwangi. This hotel has many facilities that you can enjoy. There is swimming pool, restaurant, and other services. Around the hotel, there are also many restaurants and tourist attractions. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes, we will arrive at the Sheraton Grand Hotel. So our itinerary for today will end. Tomorrow itinerary, we will go to Alas Purwo National Park, Ijen Carter, and Sadegan. So I really hope we can gather at the lobby on time at 8 a.m. And sorry if there is a shortage. Hopefully, the information I conveyed can add knowledge and experience. Don't forget to check your personal belongings before leaving the bus and please be careful. Thank you for using and trusting our service and good morning and see you tomorrow.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is your sleep? And how is your breakfast?
Yes, we all sleep very well and the breakfast is so delicious.
Okay, it's nice to hear that. On behalf of the Tour and Travel, I thank you for choosing our service. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Paris Dermawan, and you can also call me Paris. I will assist you for this Banyuwangi City Sightseeing Tour. Then also there is our driver and co-driver. Do you guys already know our itinerary today?
Yes, we are going to see Inkai Monument, right?
Yes, correct. Today we are going to see Tugu Inkai Truk Simpang 5 Street. Simpang 5 Street has a monument as we can see on your left side. That gold soldier monument became a marker of Banyuwangi large struggle during the colonial period. When we at Simpang 5, we will really feel dragged into the old society that is street flanked by colonial buildings.
Mr. Paris, can I ask?
Yes, of course. What is it, Miss Ocha?
What else advantage if you pass Simpang Lima Street?
Well, Miss Ocha, another advantage possessed by Simpang 5 Banyuwangi is a variety of culinary delights that you should try. You know, there are very famous child meatballs. There is Simpang 5 chicken porridge, which is famous for being delicious. Then untung meatball, rujak soto, and many more. Then also there are several tourist locations close to this place, namely the Banyuwangi Pavilion area, Jambi Mosque, Sri Tanjung Park, Belambangan Park, Inkai Monument, and Bom Beach.
Oh, okay, I see. Thank you, Mr. Paris.
My pleasure, Miss Ocha. Ladies and gentlemen, on your left side, we will see Inkai Monument. The Inkai Monument is administratively located in Kampung Mandar area, Banyuwangi District, Banyuwangi Regency. The history of the construction of this Inkai Monument is to commemorate the 86 karateka who practice and fought for a black belt at Boom Beach on January 17, 1982. However, all the factors who practiced on the beach were swept away by the rolling wave mixed with sand, and the 26 karateka died. Every year, the karateka held a flower-laying event to commemorate their bodies. May they all get the best place by his side. And any other question for Inkai Monument?
No, it's quite clear, Mr. Paris.
Okay, Miss Ocha. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we will arrive at Aston Banyuwangi Hotel. So our tour has to be ended. I hope you enjoy this tour and don't forget to tell your friends and family about how beautiful Banyuwangi is. Don't forget your personal belongings before you leave the bus and step carefully. If there are any mistake from me, I apologize and thank you. See you on the next trip.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gandrung Terracotta Park. Let me introduce myself. My name is Avinta Amalia Zahra as your guide here. I want to explain about Gandrung Terracotta Park. I wish that all of you will enjoy about my explanation. So, let's go. Gandrung Terracotta Park is a cultural tourism park built in the middle of a rice field area at the foot of Mountain Ijen, Banyuwangi. The park was established in the Jiwa Jawa Ijen Resort area. Yes, Gandrung Terracotta Park is located in Taman Sari Village, Licin District, Banyuwangi Regency. Let's proceed. The location indeed quite far from the city of Banyuwangi, but very close to nature. This is what makes this place a suitable location to escape from the bustle of the city. The opening of the Terracotta Garden tourist area was inspired by terracotta warriors and horses in China, which was built during the Empire Qin Shi Huang at 259 until 210 before Christ. When entering this area, tourists will be spoiled by green hills and rice fields, and the Gandrung Terracotta Garden itself was inaugurated on October 22 on 2018 by the Banyuwangi Regency government and authorized by Ms. Maharani. The owner of this tourist park is Sigit Pramono, a former president director of BNI. Let's proceed. For those of you who have watched a film or have ever known a historical sites of terracotta tomb in China, maybe you will immediately connect this terracotta loving garden with these historical sites in China. Even though it was fully built and financed by the private sector, during the grand opening of the park, the Banyuwangi government welcomed the existence of this tourist spot because in addition to indirectly increasingly regional income in terms of tourism, the existence of this Gandrung Terracotta Park is also a form of appreciation and maintenance of local culture. Any question?
Miss Avinka, I have a question. Where does the word Gandrung come from?
Okay, I want to answer your question in the next proceed. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. Gandrung is the name of dance art from Banyuwangi and is one of the cultural identities that residents should be proud of. At first, the Gandrung dance was used by the local residents from time immemorial as a form of gratitude for the abundant harvest. So, it is not without reason that the Terracotta Gandrung Park was built right in the middle of a large rice field area. The Gandrung dance has experienced the ups and downs of a dynamic life. It started as a dance offering from an agrarian society to Dewi Sri, who is also known as the goddess of fertility of the goddess of rice, then become a social dance and later become one of the icons of Banyuwangi art. The dance has been performed every year since 2011 through the Gandrung Sewu Festival. Okay, let's proceed. Although this year the festival isn't held due to the pandemic, you can still see the beautiful of the Gandrung dance. That is through 1,000 Gandrung statue at the Gandrung Terracotta Park in Banyuwangi. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our tour at the Gandrung Terracotta Park is over. I hope you enjoy this tour. Don't forget to tell your family and friends how beautiful the Gandrung Terracotta Park is. Thank you for visiting the Gandrung Terracotta Parks. See you in your next visit.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. How is your sleep last night? I wish you all sleep very well. And how is your breakfast? It is good?
Yes, I have breakfast, but I don't like the food. The taste is so weird.
Oh, good. I use another time. When you come here again, you can enjoy the milk so you put all of your baggage in.
Yes, I have.
Have you checked all of your belongings in your room?
Yes.
I wish there will not be any left behind. And I remind it to you, if only you still have any personal expenses, please come to the receptionist and finish it. Thank you. Well, please go on or bus, the blue one in the corner of this hotel, and we prepare to leaving for Banyuwangi Ketapang Station. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board the Diaksa Tour and Travel Bus. I am Diaksa Satya Deswara. Will I see you for this time for out? Ladies and gentlemen, now we are lifting a stone. Hotel now we are at Jenderal Gatot Subroto Street, away on Yulat Nasset. You will see the Ketapang Harbor. Ketapang Harbor is a ferry port in Ketapang village. Kalipuro, Banyuwangi, Regency, it's Java which contacts Java Island with Bali Island via sea transportation. The point can be reset in by passing Jalan Gatot Subroto Ketapang Port is under estimate and management under of ferry this seven the flow of passenger connection from end to the island. Of Bali Road Gilmanuk Bor in Bali. The area duration on trip between Ketapang Gilmanuk or vice versa with this ferry is around 1 hour. The port will be integrated with the Probolinggo Banyuwangi toll road which is aimed to be completed to 2022. Okay, any question?
I have a question. How much is the ticket price for our crossing?
The cost for the passenger 8,000 and the fee for interest 2,000. Pusatau place SDP partner. Minimal cost will score in score additional variance 100 and 500. But remember, this ticket process in down at maximum of 5 hours before departure time. In a few minutes, we'll arrive at Banyuwangi Ketapang station. Please get off the bus and keep walking to the instant. Make sure there is nothing left on your personal belongings. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go straight to the platform on tour has to the end. I really hope you enjoy this tour. Don't forget to tell your family and friends how beautiful Banyuwangi is. Don't forget your personal belongings before you leave the bus and step carefully. Thank you. See you on your next trip.